Due to this pandemic, lots of people are still working from home. Students are taking class from home, businesses are run from the home, doctors are reaching out their patient from home. So it is very important for us to keep our laptop working properly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your laptop in your home by using your own home tools. I know the video is a bit longer than usual, but trust me guys, if you watch the video until the end, you will know how to clean your laptop in your home. Hello and welcome to one more video of Box Info. First, we'll clean the laptop from the outside. For the cleaning, I recommend you to use any microfiber or any soft cotton cloth so you don't scratch your laptop. Keep in mind, while spraying on the keyboard, I don't recommend you to spray a lot of liquid on the keyboard. That might damage your keypad. So just gentle spray is more than enough. Don't push harder on that, you might damage your keypads here. So just a gentle rub on the keypad will be more than enough for your keypad to be cleaned. You can clean your screen by the cloth also, but keep in mind not to push harder on the screen, or it might damage your screen also. So here we'll rotate our laptop. Before doing any disassembly on your laptop, I recommend you to remove your battery. Otherwise you might damage any device, any drives on your laptop. So first remove your battery before doing any work. Here is a lock pin. I will remove the lock and then I will remove this battery. So below the battery you might see some dust particles here, so I recommend you to clean that also, but with a slow pressure on that one, otherwise you might damage that pins which are being connected to the laptop. Here I have 11 screws which I need to remove. This might change depending on your laptop model, and I have 4 screws holding the RAM and hard drive, so I need to remove that one also. So for the removing this screws, you can use the screwdriver which I have here. So I recommend you to use the proper screw bit for this one, so you don't damage your screws here. Here I have 2 more screws holding the board below the battery plate. After that we are going to remove this RAM slot. Here there is 1 screw holding this RAM, and we are going to remove the hard drive also. For those we have here 2 screws holding that one. As you can see, there is a lot of dust beneath this plate here. As you can see, more dust here. There is 1 screw holding the hard drive here. I will remove this one. So there is a pull tag here. You just need to pull this plastic here, so that will remove your hard drive. Now I'm going to remove this one screw which is holding my DVR drive here. So I will use this minus screw. I'm going to give just a little push here, so it will pop out, as you can see. Again, a lot of dust beneath this drive here. So we'll remove this RAM. Try to remove the RAM very slowly, otherwise you will damage that one, and keep it aside very safely for now. Now you just need to push gently the board. So before removing this panel, make sure any cable are connected beneath that one. Mine, there is no cable, so I am removing it. So again, there is a lot of dust here. As you can see, the way the fan is mounted, there is a lot of dust. Due to that, my fan will work very hard on the pushing the air outside. So there are 4 screws holding the cooling pad. So these are the screws. The whole cooling system will be removed out. I will remove these 4 screws here. Before removing that one, you need to disconnect this power cable of the fan. So let me just remove this cable. So this is the power cable of the fan. Now we'll remove this heat sink here. So I'm using this magnet to lift this tray here, because I don't want to damage the cooling device here. So as you can see, there is a lot of dust here. As you can see, this is a lot of dust here. My thermal paste also been dried out, so I need to replace that one also. It's all dried out here. So we'll keep this aside for now. So there is a lot of dust on the fan and also on the cooling pad, so I need to clean it separately. For this I am going to remove the fan. There are 3 screws holding this fan here, so I will remove those screws. And again, by just a little gentle push, the fan will pop out. So you can remove this fan also, so I will show you on the video. So take a small brush. So there is a lot of dust. I will remove this very gently here. So take your time, and this might depend on your work and your dust. So take your time to clean this. I'm going to remove the fan so that I can clean it properly here. So you need to be very careful while removing this fan. So there was a lot of dust on the fan, so I removed this one and then I will clean it. We are going to clean the board by this brush here. So we are going to clean the board also. You can use the cloth to remove minute dust on this board. So again, very careful. You need to be very careful, otherwise you might damage your board. So take your time. Now I'm going to remove this thermal paste here, which has been already dyed. I'm going to use this earbud. If you have alcohol, you can use that one. I'm having this 80% alcohol here, which I'm going to use to clean this paste here. Don't use the water or you will damage your board here. So I'm going to use this alcohol. So let's remove this dried paste here. Don't push hard on this one. Just you need to soak the alcohol on the surface and it will come out easily. Yes, our board is clean as new now. I will give a clean for this drive also. So we can clean our case also here. I'm going to use the alcohol to clean this grill here. Okay, let's assemble this fan here. It is clean now. You just need to align the pin properly and the magnet will pull itself, as you can see. For the fan, we have two points here. You just need to align these 2 points and it will line up by this. It will line up. So these 2 pins we need to be aligned by the tray here. As you can see, there are 2 dots on the tray here. You just need to align that one and the fan will snap on. It's a very delicate part, so take your time to tighten the screw properly. Yep, our cooling system is ready now. This is a thermal paste. I will leave a link in the description from where you can buy this one. So you don't need to put a lot of thermal paste on this one, just a little bit will be more than enough. So you can use any kind of a paper or any kind of a screw to gently spread on the pad here. Now you just need to align the screws here and you just need to slide it properly. Don't remove it once it is on the place, otherwise you will create some bubbles around it and it will damage your board. Try to tighten the screw in the crisscross way so the paste will spread properly and evenly on the surface. Now we'll connect our fan here. Now we'll put our panel back on the board. So this is our DVR slot. You just need to align the screw properly and then slide it gently in the DVR slot. So there is one screw holding this drive here. I will tighten that one. So this is your drive. So you need to insert your drive also. So take your time doing this one. I recommend you to go slowly on this one, otherwise the drive might be damaged. So there is one screw holding this drive. Then we'll put this cover back on the drive. And one thing left is our RAM. Take your time, properly align the pin and you will hear that click, and then just put back your tray here. Next we are going to put the battery. Again, align the pins. Here are the pins, just align the pin and that will lock itself. And we have here lock option, just push that up, okay? It will save your battery by dropping outside or any loose connection. So I will turn on the laptop so that you can hear the fan noise. I will take my microphone towards the fans. Now our laptop is breathing properly. So why do we need to deep clean our laptop? Guys, the processor is a very important part of your laptop. If it is not cooled properly, then the temperature will rise and it will slow your system. And in some worst cases, the system will restart again and again. By cleaning the dust particle on the fan or ventilation of your laptop, you will avoid those heating processes and your system will run very smooth and very quietly. If you change the thermal paste, and that will also help your system cool down properly, and the result will be you will have a very smooth and clean running laptop which will last longer than you thought. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for further notification whenever I post video. Until then, Jai Hind.